Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single compress stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to make a single crochet decrease into the second and third chain from our hook. Insert your hook into that second chain, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Insert your hook into the third chain or the next chain, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to complete that single crochet decrease. Then you're going to make 1 chain. Make a single crochet decrease again into each of the next 2 chains. And then make a chain after that decrease. Make a single crochet decrease into each of the next 2 chains. Then make a chain after that decrease. You're now going to repeat these steps. Make a single crochet decrease into each of the next 2 chains, and then make a chain after that decrease until you get to the last chain of your row. When you get to the last chain of your row, work 1 single crochet into that chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to be making the same sequence that we made on row 1. We're going to be using previous stitches and previous chain spaces. So we're going to make that single crochet decrease into the first stitch and chain space. Then make a chain. Same thing, single crochet decrease into the next stitch and chain space. And then make a chain. Single crochet decrease into the next stitch and chain space. And then make a chain. You're now going to repeat this sequence of making a single crochet decrease and then a chain until you reach the last stitch of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Into that last stitch, work a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the single compress stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.